Good evening. The government of India has decided to set up 75 new science and technology and innovation hubs. Science and technology and innovation hubs 75 are going to come up very soon, and these will be really helpful to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So this is a mechanism to give a solid support to certain sections of the society, and the government is coming out in the form of 75 new science and technology and innovation hubs. Regarding this, we have information, and I would like to share that information with you. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. The topic is 75 new S and T and innovation hubs. The government has been making continuous efforts to provide new opportunities to the backward sections of the society. Basically, see here, we are mentioning about the equality through the constitution, meaning everybody should be treated equally. But the same constitution is also permitting for paying special attention and focus on the backward sections of the society. That is the reason why certain sections are considered to be privileged, and they will be paid more attention by the government, so that over a period of time the equality will be achieved. That is the basic intention. So it will provide new opportunities to the backward sections of the society and ensure their contribution in the economic and social development of the country. This is a very important one. Whenever we are providing certain specific privileges to certain sections of the society, that should not be looked into as getting certain privileges, but that will be useful in future for the nation with respect to their contribution in the economic and social development of the nation. Look at this. As a part of this, along with the reservation for OBC category in the All India quota in the field of medical education, the states have been empowered to make their own list of OBCs. This one we have discussed few days back. The Supreme Court has interfered, and government, by a constitution amendment, it has provided the power to the states to make their own list. Clear? And when it comes to the central government, decided to set up 75 science, technology and innovation hubs, STI, across the country. And look at this. This is exclusive for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. The hubs will further promote scientific talent and will also contribute to the socio-economic development of the communities. Very important one. And if you look at the Department of Science and Technology, during our discussion on science and technology classes, we have discussed that there is a ministry called Ministry of Science and Technology. Under that, you got three departments, 1, 2 and 3. Out of these three departments, one department is the Department of Science and Technology. And this department in the last 2 years established 20 STI hubs. Very important one. Science and technology and innovation hubs. 20 were established by Department of Science and Technology, that functions under the Ministry of S&T. Out of this 20, 13 for SCs and 7 for STs. And each center will directly benefit 20,000 SC and ST population in different areas. Very important one. And these type of information is very important, and especially when you are writing the main examination, this will play a very crucial role. And whenever you are writing about the social programs or social justice, these points can be mentioned in the examination. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next session. Take very good care.